When my child is not feeling well and is experiencing symptoms like cold, cough, sneezing, and potentially a slight fever, the best natural remedy is an onion. Onions should be finely chopped, put into a pouch like this one, and then placed on the foot. Here's how I do it. When used in this way, onions help to purify the blood, remove bacteria, eliminate toxins, and help alleviate symptoms of the flu and cold. The acid that is absorbed from the onion helps relieve sinus pain, and the onion can help solve ear infections. It also helps with stomach infections.